Hi, this is Thunder E from Booredatwork.com, and today we're doing a review of the Logitech Folio Mini keyboard case for the iPad Mini. So of course, as the name entails, this is a keyboard case enclosure that protects your iPad Mini, and also you can use the Bluetooth keyboard. Comes in this packaging. You do have your manual inside, and there is a micro USB cable to charge. Very simple. Now here is the case in question. The top side of the case, you can see here, comes in navy blue, white, black, and one other color. It's 4 colors in total. But you can open this up and it reveals, of course, your iPad Mini. And if you take a closer look here, you can see that this actually provides some nice protection around the iPad Mini. So it allows you to protect the glass front of your iPad Mini and, of course, the back of your iPad Mini. Your buttons are accessible. You can hit the power button, the lock button, change all those. You can also access the buttons on top. Sorry, the power, that's the volume button there. And of course your 3.5mm jack is also quite accessible. As well as your camera behind, nothing impeding its view, so you can actually take photos with it continuously. And of course it's still quite light, and it really feels like you're holding a notebook in your hands. So of course the main key aspect of this is that this also has a keyboard, and this has a Bluetooth keyboard built into it. I expect to get about 10 hours of battery life on here. And you can see it's got a micro USB port to charge. It's got the power button and then the Bluetooth sync button. And it's very easy. It actually uses a magnet mechanism to actually lock this into place, so it stays, and you have full access to the keyboard. So if I this out, I can type in test. So you turn the keyboard on, that would help. And you see already it automatically links because I've synced it already, but I can type in, use the keyboard, works quite well. I can also use some of the media features on the keyboard. So for instance, I can hit function and hit 8. So I can actually play a song using the media functions. Increase the volume, reduce the volume. I can also activate Siri if I want to, or I can turn Siri off. So you have all this functionalities built into the keyboard. Now this is a nice frame from Logitech. Again, it retails for $89.99. It's very durable, and also it has the screen lock feature, so you can close it up, it locks your screen. As you open it up, see the screen awakes, locks the screen again. So you do have that functionality built in. Provides excellent protection for your iPad Mini. It doesn't impede, of course, on the speakers below, so you do get the full functionality of using your iPad Mini with solid protection and a nice keyboard to go. So if you guys have any questions or any comments, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to all our pages on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. It's all Booredatwork with 2 O's. This is Thunder E saying thank you, and always enjoy entertainment.